le dais di Pears mi compos. Yes, le pear cores, yes. Apples, peaches, last to add. And yes, sugar, yes. Very good, yes. Yes. The fruit, cooked fruit into the juice separately for caramelizing, and obviously now into the pan evenly. Squashing down a bit. Like a fruit bisquette. Let's be. Okay. Molasses on top of this. Open it. Flour, 1.5 cups. Some sauté. Sugar, obviously the margarine as well, and obviously mix with some milk and cover. So we've now got it to this sort of consistency, which is more like it, and then we'll just add some peanut butter to this, small amounts. Add its nutty flavour. Sort of black. Yeah. That ice cream type appeals some of the time, vanillas and things to it. The whole idea. And we have this colouring. There we go. We've flattened it down a bit. A bit more of a flattening to it. So actually pour over the mix. So got that. Just smooth over a bit now. There's a nice top to it that's finished. Do that. Raise a bit, but not too much. There's not too much additional raising, and it is a fairly flat day, fairly warm, so I won't really raise too much. It's really risen somewhat. Well, that goes in the oven.